Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Gas prices are going up tomorrow. 87 and 90 gasoline will each sell for $2.42 and $2.43 more respectively. $1.93 will be added to automotive diesel, while ultra-low sulfur diesel will sell for $2.32 more. Kerosene will cost $1.27 more. Propane will sell for $1.50 more, while butane will go up by $2.56. Meanwhile, oil prices rose on Wednesday, extending gains even after OPEC producers stuck to an agreed output target rise for February, and U.S. fuel inventories surged due to sliding demand as COVID-19 cases spiked. Brent crude futures ended up 80 cents to settle at $80.80 a barrel. The Bank of Jamaica has intervened in the foreign currency market for the second consecutive day, pumping a total of $80 million in the market in the first week of 2022. The BOJ offered up $40 million to the market in a flash sale today. 7 banks and 3 cambios were successful in the sale. JMB Bank, National Commercial Bank, Citibank, and JMB Securities received the top allocations. Meanwhile, after today's intervention, authorized dealers are selling the US dollar for an average $154.84. $120.87 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $210.78 for the pound, while the euro is trading at $178.76. West Indies Petroleum Limited has become the first company to list 5 preference shares on the Jamaica Stock Exchange, JSE's private market. The shares were listed on December 31. There are now 11 securities on the private market of the JSE with a value of $17.8 billion. Managing Director of the JSE, Marlene Street Forest, says the private market, which was launched on January 11, 2021, provides an effective medium for raising capital and the efficient transfer of ownership for entities. Mrs. Street Forest says since the private market was launched, there have been more than 60 transactions involving 376 million units, valued at $38.2 billion. Finally, the JC Index gained 2,395 points today, while the Junior Market Index gained 24 points. Among today's winners were KLE Group, MPC Caribbean Clean Energy, VM Investments, Phosphorich, and Salada Foods. While on the losing side were Cygnus Real Estate Fund Jamaican dollar shares, JMB Group 7.25% shares, Cargo Handlers, Main Event Entertainment Group, and Epley Caribbean Property Fund. And that's the Business Day. I am Vashan Brown. Have a good evening.